Hey everyone, I'll walk you through how to make money on Snapchat in 2026 using Spotlight and other features. Let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that Snapchat officially stopped the Spotlight Rewards program on January 31st, 2025, so posting Spotlight videos alone won't earn you money anymore. But don't stress, Snapchat has introduced a new way for creators to monetize their content. To be eligible, you need to meet certain criteria, reach at least 50,000 followers, and achieve either 10 million Snap views, 1 million Spotlight views, or 12,000 total watch hours within the last 28 days. On top of that, you should post at least 25 times per month, spread across a minimum of 10 different days. Once you meet these conditions, you can start earning through ads that appear in your Stories and Spotlight content. To begin, make sure your Snapchat account is set up as a public profile. Focus on posting engaging, high-quality content consistently to grow your audience. The more active and consistent you are, the better your chances of increasing views and followers. Also, don't forget to monitor your performance using Snapchat's Creator Hub or Insights tools to see what's working best. Even though the old Spotlight rewards are gone, there's still real potential to earn on Snapchat if you stay consistent and build a loyal audience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to GuidePro for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.